Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we are going to talk about writing in English. Writing is a powerful tool that helps us express our thoughts, share our stories, and communicate with others. Whether you want to write a letter, an email, a story, or even a simple note, knowing how to write in English can open many doors for you. So, let's dive into the world of writing and explore how we can make our writing better and easier for everyone to understand. Understanding the basics of writing in English. When we write in English, it is important to keep a few basic rules in mind. First, we need to know the structure of sentences. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Every sentence should have at least a subject and a verb. For example, in the sentence Emily loves to read, Emily is the subject and loves is the verb. 1. Choosing the right words. Using simple and clear words is crucial, especially when you are just starting. Instead of using complicated words, try to use everyday language that everyone understands. For example, instead of saying utilize, you can say use. This makes your writing more accessible and enjoyable to read. 2. Organizing your thoughts. Before you start writing, it helps to plan what you want to say. You can create an outline to organize your ideas. An outline is a simple list of the main points you want to cover. For instance, if you are writing about your favorite hobby, your outline might look like this. Introduction to your hobby. Why you love it. How you started. What you learned from it. Conclusion. Having an outline makes it easier to write your piece because you know what to say next. 3. Writing clear sentences. Once you have your ideas organized, start writing sentences. Keep your sentences short and to the point. This makes it easier for your reader to follow your thoughts. For example, I love painting. It makes me feel happy. I started painting when I was young. These sentences are clear and easy to understand. Remember to use proper punctuation, like periods at the end of sentences and commas to separate ideas. This helps your writing flow smoothly. 4. Using paragraphs. In English writing, we use paragraphs to separate different ideas. Each paragraph should focus on one main idea. Start with a topic sentence that tells the reader what the paragraph is about. For example, my favorite hobby is painting. I enjoy mixing colors and creating new art. Painting allows me to express my feelings. Here, the first sentence tells the reader the main idea, and the following sentences explain it. 5. Adding details. To make your writing more interesting, add details and examples. This helps your reader understand your ideas better. For instance, instead of just saying, I like to read, you can say, I like to read mystery books because they are exciting and keep me guessing until the end. This gives your reader a clearer picture of what you mean. 6. Proofreading your work. After you finish writing, it is important to check your work. This process is called proofreading. Look for spelling mistakes, grammar errors, and unclear sentences. Reading your writing aloud can help you catch mistakes. If you find something that doesn't sound right, change it to make it clearer. 7. Practicing regularly. Like any skill, writing improves with practice. Try to write a little every day. You can keep a journal, write stories, or even practice writing emails to friends. The more you write, the better you will become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Writing in English may seem challenging at first, but with practice and the right techniques, you can improve your skills. Remember to keep your sentences clear, use simple words, and organize your thoughts. With time and effort, you will find joy in writing and be able to share your ideas with others. So grab a pen and paper and start your writing adventure today. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and happy writing. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos to improve your English with me.